Look how Piper's sitting on her tuffet. Yeah, she's not all the way on it. It looks like part of her is hanging off the end of it. She looks perfectly comfortable. Yeah, I put up a similar video to this and someone commented that Piper was living on the edge. That's a very good description. It sure is. Yeah, look at her here. And she looks so perfectly peaceful about it. Yeah, she's a little bit of the daredevil type, it looks like. I've seen her walk along the ledge by the stairs. She does that too. Yeah, she'd probably be good at some of those daredevil type sports that I just saw at the Winter Olympics, like snowboarding, where they do like the half pipe. Yeah, she could do the half piper and get on a snowboard. Yeah, they'd rename it just for her. Oh my goodness. Yeah, look at that face. Yeah, she's ready for anything. Yeah, she always is.